When it comes to owning a Harley Davidson ATV or UTV, having a reliable battery is crucial for smooth and uninterrupted rides. The Throttlex HDX20L replacement battery is specifically designed for these vehicles, offering exceptional performance and durability. In this video, we will explore the features, pros and cons of the Throttlex HDX20L battery. Features of Throttlex HDX20L battery. High performance. The battery is engineered to deliver reliable and consistent performance, ensuring easy startups for your Harley Davidson, ATV, or UTV. AGM Technology. This battery utilizes absorbed glass mat technology, which provides several benefits. It offers a maintenance-free operation, as the electrolyte is absorbed in fiberglass mat separators, eliminating the need for periodic maintenance. AGM batteries are also known for their resistance to vibration and shock, making them ideal for off-road vehicles. Enhanced capacity. The Throttlex HDX20L battery boasts a high capacity of 310 cold cranking amps. This ample power ensures quick and efficient engine startups, even in harsh weather conditions. Compatibility. The battery is specifically designed to fit a wide range of Harley Davidson, ATV, and UTV models. It is crucial to verify compatibility with your specific vehicle before making a purchase. Pros: longevity and durability, maintenance-free operation, dependable starting power, versatility. Cons: higher initial cost, compatibility limitations. Conclusion: the Throttlex HDX20L battery offers a range of impressive features for owners of these vehicles. With its high performance, longevity, and maintenance-free operation, it ensures reliable power for engine startups and provides peace of mind during off-road adventures. While the initial cost may be slightly higher than traditional lead-acid batteries, the benefits of the battery outweigh this factor. By choosing the Throttlex HDX20L battery replacement, owners can enjoy a dependable and hassle-free riding experience. The product link is in the description below if you want to buy or read more about it.